A constant companion, your smartphone. We use them not only to communicate and get us where we need to go, we use them to record life events.
The one thing that is most important for customers I found is not the device, it's what's on it.
That's why Red Shoe Rescue is a repair you can trust.
My name's Doug McKee, and I am the founder of Red Shoe Rescue, and we handle cell phone repair and services.
Whether it's a cracked screen or a damaged charging port, whatever the problem, and wherever you bought it, Red Shoe Rescue can fix it. From our convenient location in Cameron Park, we offer a free diagnosis and quote for repair. Our trained technicians get right to work, solving the issue with quality parts and award-winning service. Most repairs take less than an hour with zero cost to you if unrepaired. While we know a working device is important, Red Shoe Rescue understands the memories on that device are often priceless, such as one customer story.
His job took him to Europe, and one of his great uncles died during World War II. Had no idea what happened to this guy. He happened to just go down to the cemetery, the big one in Europe, and found his uncle's tombstone. Took a picture of it. On his way back, he got it water damaged.
Whether it's a photo that can't be replaced, a treasured video, or a voicemail, Red Shoe Rescue is committed to restoration. And when you're ready for a new device, Red Shoe Rescue can help with that too.
Not only do we offer the most reliable, trusted repair in the industry, but we cater to your personal needs.
With a wide selection of new and refurbished smartphones and no contract cellular service plans to save you money.
Do you need a brand new device, or do you want to get the latest and greatest that's maybe a year old or that's going to save you $500?
Fixing your device, helping you choose a new one, and guiding you to money-saving options. Red Shoe Rescue offers A to Z repair and care for all your cellular needs.
Because if we can't meet those, we haven't done our job.
Red Shoe Rescue, 4100 Cameron Park Drive in Cameron Park, Suite 109, or call us at 530-677-7RED. Red Shoe Rescue, a repair you can trust.